Emotional freedom techniques is really helpful for focus. Because what happens when you are teeing off, or you're in the rough, or you're in a bunker, or especially when you're on the green? Relaxation and focus are the most important points in golf. To be able to tune everything out. It's just you and the ball. And then, of course, focusing on your grip, your stance, where the green is, the position of your feet, how balanced you are, everything that's included in preparing for that shot. When you're focused, you can't help but hit a good shot. EFT will help you maintain that focus throughout your game. A little tapping before taking your shot, you will be amazed at how much better that shot is. You will be really happy at where the ball goes, and you will be excited at your lower score. That's the whole purpose for this, is to help you lower your score and help you have fun. I want you to have fun with your game. I want you to be able to accomplish what you've never been able to accomplish before. Getting on the green in 1 or 2 shots. Eliminating 3, 4, 5, 6 putts. Focusing on your game, focusing on where the ball is and where you are and where the green is. That's what EFT will do for you. So here we go. I'm going to give you several templates that you can use depending upon your situation. There are so many things in our lives that take our focus away from what we want to do, and definitely take our focus away from the moment of the shot. So let's talk about some phrases that you can use, and then please feel free to create your own phrase, whatever is in your mind at that moment before you take your golf swing. As you're looking at the golf ball, think about what's in your mind. So here are some examples of what you might be thinking, but you tailor this to make it your own. So using the karate chop point, even though I'm thinking about my baby right now and wondering if she's okay, I choose to be relaxed and focused on this ball. Even though I'm thinking about my business right now and the 10 gazillion things I have to do when I get back to the office, today or tomorrow or next week, or after this game, I choose to be relaxed and focused. Even though I'm thinking about my grandchildren right now, what are we going to make for dinner tonight? How am I going to entertain them later on today? When are they coming over? When is their mother going to drop them off? I choose to be relaxed and focused. Even though I'm thinking about what the heck I'm going to have for dinner tonight, I choose to be relaxed and focused. Even though I'm wondering where we're going to go after the game is over at the 19th hole, what restaurant are we going to go to for dinner tonight or lunch? I choose to be relaxed and focused. Even though my mind is racing right now with everything other than this game, I choose to be relaxed and focused. Even though I'm having a nervous breakdown because I left my phone in the car and I'm not listening to the phone, I'm not looking for any text, I am detaching electronically from my phone. Except when I want to tap with Joan. I choose to be relaxed and focused. Even though I'm having a hard time being relaxed and focused, I choose to be relaxed and focused. So these are some of the phrases. So please Plug into that beginning statement, whatever it is that's happening with you right now in the moment, so you can acknowledge it. Now we're going to go ahead and do a tapping session for focus. So even though I'm having a hard time being relaxed and focused, I choose to be relaxed and focused. So I'm going to start at the top of my head here, right on top of my cap. I have so much tension thinking about everything else other than this game. Going down to my eyebrows. All my tension and anxiety. All my tension and anxiety. Everything else that's in my mind other than taking this shot. All my tension and anxiety. All my tension and everything else I'm thinking of other than taking this shot. All my tension. All my anxiety. Everything else that's in my life that's buzzing through my head right now, other than being outside in this beautiful weather. Everything I'm thinking about other than my game, I'm letting it go. I'm letting it go. I'm letting it go. I'm letting it go. I'm letting it all go. Golf is my form of meditation. I love golf. I love golf. I choose to be relaxed and focused. I am relaxed and focused. I am relaxed and focused. I choose an easy, smooth swing. I see my target off in the distance. I see my target off in the distance. I am one with the ball. I am one with the ball. It's me, the ball, and the target. It's me and the ball and the green. Just the ball and the green. I am ready to take my shot. I'm completely focused. Everything else in my life drifts away. I am relaxed and focused. And now I'm ready to take my shot.